Today I've got it another recipe which is authentic ingredients, which is pot parwal and with poppy seed with little yellow mustard. So I'll be making this wonderful recipe. I've taken big size parwal and will remove the skin in this manner, not everywhere but alternatively, and we'll do this, cut the edges both the side, and we'll do the cutting in this similar manner so that the parwal doesn't breaks from inside. So in this manner we'll do the cutting for all the parwal, and you can see. And now I'll be grinding the poppy seed 2 teaspoon and little yellow mustard, grind it to a fine paste in silbatta, stone silbatta, to a fine paste. Once done, we'll do it for green chili also. See, green chili is also done and posto is also done, and we'll do marinate the parwal which has been washed and dried with little salt and turmeric. We'll rub it nicely so that the masalas of turmeric and salt goes inside evenly. We will deep fry this parwal evenly in all the sides. First 3 parwal, then another parwal. We'll cover it and do the frying so that it fries evenly in all the sides. This is basically shallow fry, not deep fry, and this is going to give you a better taste. This is done, we'll remove it and we'll continue this with another 3 parwal. So similarly we'll do the frying for this 3 parwal also. And now this is done, we'll remove this parwal also. We will put another 15 ml of mustard oil, put kalonji, put green chili, put poppy seed paste with mustard, put basic masala, coriander, cumin, spicy red chili powder, little water so that the masala doesn't burn. We'll put little turmeric and salt to taste. We'll fry this masala so that the oil oozes out, should not burn. Put further more poppy seed, mustard seed paste and fry it, and put water. Some more water will be putting it so that it is enough for lunch. So after it boils, we'll put all the fried parwal and cook this for 7 to 8 minutes till it becomes masala kind of consistency. We'll put little sugar to balance the taste, and when you see the oil starts coming out after 7 to 8 minutes, you have to remove it. See how beautiful this is looking. And I put little green chili, slid green chili, and we'll do the presentation in a serving container. We'll be eating with this with steamed rice. It is so yummy. Just try it at home, make it, and come back and let me know how you like this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe this channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.